Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Alright, so off camera, I prepped and primed her face using Witch Hazel, Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer, and a thin layer of Milk and Magnesia on the areas she gets oily. After allowing the Milk and Magnesia to dry, I dry out both brows using a translucent powder from DermaBlend. Today I'm using my Shaee Beauty Retractable Slim Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown on my client's brows. With the spoolie end of my brush, I brush out both brows, then flip back to the pencil and outline both brows, making sure to stay off the hairs. My cosmetics line, Shaee Beauty, has officially launched, and the growth in just the first month has been so surreal. My website features lashes, lipsticks, glosses, beauty tools, and so much more. Shipping and local pickup are available, so please be sure to check that out. After I have achieved the shape I want with both brows, I brush off the excess product and grab a flat concealer brush from Shop Miss A. With the concealer brush and LA Girl Pro Concealer in Tawny, I clean up my outline and any imperfections I may catch. I blend out the edges of the concealer using a small eyeshadow brush, then jump directly into her skin with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in 332 and 336. The foundation brush I'm using is also from Shop Miss A. After evenly blending out her foundation, I highlight her face with that same LA Girl Pro Concealer and cream contour her face using the Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Stick in Bronze Glow. I'm blending out the highlight using the 𝒽𝓃𝑒𝓂𝒾𝒃 setting brush. This is definitely a need in your MUA kit. I blend out her cream contour using the 𝒽𝓃𝒃's 206 brush, then set her highlighted areas using a clean 𝒽𝓃𝒃's 206 brush. Now I'm bringing back color by bronzing her face using the MAC Skin Finish Powder in Medium Deep. Adding structure to her face using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in Medium to Deep and a contour brush from Morphe, I go directly under her cheekbones and up the sides of her nose. I apply blush and highlight to her cheeks and nose to make the look more dewy. The blush is from a Juvia's Place blush palette, and the highlight is the MAC Global Glow. Since this is a soft look, for the eyeshadow I pop a soft brown color into her crease, and on her actual lid I apply a darker brown color and gradually blend them together. I apply her lashes using Star Eyelash Glue from Amazon, and the gems I'm applying are also from Amazon. There is adhesive already on the back, so I stick them directly on. Now I'm using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut to line her lips, and I blend that out using a Q-tip. On her lips, I'm applying the Hot Cocoa and Beige lip glosses from Shaee Beauty. I finish off her face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and y'all already know what I'm about to say. This is the finished look, y'all. Once again, thank you all for watching. The support y'all show me is so unreal, and I can't wait to post more content for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.